Neon rain on the dashboard glow. Your ghost in the passenger seat, letting go. I count the miles between what we were and the silence that's screaming in my chest. It burns. Every street light flickers like your heartbeat. I'm driving through memories I can't delay. You were my supernova, burning out too soon. Left me in the dark, learning how to move. But I'll carry your light in the cracks of my soul. Turn the pain into stars, watch me lose control. I'm falling, but I'll rise in the morning. The radio plays our song on repeat. Static in my veins where your voice used to be. I scream at the sky, but the clouds don't reply. Just thunder that sounds like the last time you cried. Your name's a scar, a trace in the rear view. I'm bleeding out echoes of I still love you. You were my supernova, burning out too soon. Left me in the dark, learning how to move. But I'll carry your light in the cracks of my soul. Turn the pain into stars, watch me lose control. I'm falling, but I will rise in the morning. I'm still here, breathing your ashes, but I'll build a new sky from the pieces you shattered. You were my supernova, now I'm the dawn. Every tear that I cried wrote a brand new song. I'll carry your light through the endless unknown. Turn the pain into galaxies. I'm not alone. I'm rising, watch me burn on my
Piano fades with distant, pretty vocal echoes.